O ni Pluto Nash. High-tech na lahat ng nakatira sa moon pero nagkalat pa rin ang space goons. The Adventures of Pluto Nash sa GMA Blockbusters ngayong linggo.
This animal sa lupa. Pagpapakita kung paano sila kumakasa, ikukwento isa-isa. Dito lang sa Pops Amazing Stories.
Ngayong Sabado, pagkatapos ng 24 oras weekend. Maaari kayang sa maruming lansangan. Mahanap ang pag-asa at tahanan. Ngayong hapon sa GMA Afternoon Prime. Unforgettable, bukod kang pinagpalakambal ni Eliana at I Do, GMA Afternoon Prime.
Oops! Napalakas.
Kain ng buhok ko yan.
Talaga?
Oo naman.
Para sa buhok na dandruff-free forever and stronger from scalp to tip. Try Head & Shoulders.
Sa dami ng activities ng ating mga anak, kailangan niya ng energy for school. Kaya dapat, pabaunan niya sila ng nutritious snack, gaya ng Tiger with Enermax. Gawa sa wheat at may milk. Sa Tiger, energy ang pabaon mo.
You only need 1 scoop of Ariel to remove stains completely.
Up to 6 scoops of several detergents plus bar and brush can't beat the superior stain removal of 1 scoop of Ariel.
Kaya, tipid. That's my Ariel. What's yours?
Ang tubig at kuryente? Gastos yan. Sa Best Ever Downy isang banlaw, bilis tanggal ang sabon. Kaya tipid sa tubig. Mas madali pang iplansya kaya konting hagod lang. Laking tipid sa maliit na gastos.
Royal presents Kulit Party!
Feels like I'm on top of the world. Never coming down, never coming back down.
Royal with B vitamins! Ilabas ang ulit!
Ma! Kamusta na? Mars! May kwento ako! Han, miss na kita! Astig Combo 15! Sa 15 pesos, may 30 minutes of calls na pwedeng hati-hatiin at only text. Pwede pang i-extend. Oh, bukas ulit, Astig!
Ngayon, di lang isa o dalawa, kundi 3 galing ng Chowking pinagsama sa new Golden Chinese Pork Rice. Galing sa linamnam, galing sa lambot, galing sa lutong. Nasa isang dish lahat, lutong, lambot, linamnam. 3 galing pinagsama-sama. New Chowking Golden Chinese Pork Rice with special egg fried rice. Unbelievably, 75 lang.
Sa trabaho ko, kailangan parating alert para sa safety ko. I need Kopi Ko Astig. Strong and rich coffee from select coffee beans. Well blended. Kaya on time ang project. Kopi Ko Astig na kape.
Ito si Robin. Tuwing kakain, kung saan-saan nakatingin.
Kain na, anak?
Sige na.
Sige na.
Worried na ako sa nutrisyon niya. Naiintindihan ko. Kaya meron tayong partner, Lactome. With essential nutrients from the food pyramid. To help make Robin a 100% nourished kid. 100% panatag tayo sa Lactome.
Get free Disney Pixar Monsters University Mealtime Surprise with every Lactome 3 Plus and 6 Plus.
Natural lang bang may hair na naiiwan sa brush?
No, it isn't. When hair is damaged from within, hair fall happens. Pantene helps repair hair damage from within.
So, to forget the hair fall, help fix the damage.
Pantene.
Enjoy the new Nestle Coffee Mate Vanilla. Sobrang creamy. Sobrang delicious. Coffee with Coffee Mate, now creamed to the extreme. Also in caramel, may sugar na.
Click na click ang Cherry Mobile. Click tayo sa Cherry Mobile. Click tayo sa Cherry Mobile.
Believe ako sa adults na may plus na lakas at tibay. Gatas nila, may plus din. Bear Brand Adult Plus. May plus high calcium at plus lakas at tibay resistensya nutrients. Kaya plus ang nabibigay. Mommy, lipat na sa Bear Brand Adult Plus.
Hindi ako nakapagsalon kasi 48 hours na lang, opening na ang cafe. Pero sa hot oil smoothness mula sa Rejoice Rich, kahit pa after 48 hours, buhok ko, sobrang smooth na.
Nagka-time pa siya magpasalon? Salon? Rejoice lang.
Pa, ako na po magdi-deliver sa customer.
Sige ba? Nakakain ka na ba?
Kailan ho?
Uy, marami-rami yan. Mahaba pa araw mo. Kumain ka. O, ito.
Skyflakes, solid na panawid gutom para tuloy-tuloy ka hanggang matapos ang araw. Asahan mo.
O, anak.
Pa, tama ka. Thank you ha.
Mahaba pa ang araw. Mag-Skyflakes, asahan mo.
At National Bookstore, it's not just what you buy. It's also what you use it for. There's still so much to be found in the most complete and most convenient bookstore.
Paano pag walang honey? Try a fresh new honey. Yung Nestle Honey Blend with honey and tea that's good for you.
Mag-Nestle Blends tayong lahat.
Kinakaya mo ang pagod, pati sakit ng katawan, dahil alam mong meron kang pinagsisikapan. Sa bawat kirot, alam mong may uuwian kang ginhawa. Efficacent Oil.
Now that he's more active, kailangan ko siyang ihanda every day. I give him a triple boost advantage with the new, mas pinatibay na Bonakid Preschool. It boosts him with 1, increased levels of protein for growth. 2, more iron for energy. And 3, higher vitamins A, C, E, and zinc for immunity. Going 1, 2, triple ang laban niya. Batang may laban!
Did you know more than 50% of your body is water?
Which water will you trust? New Wilkins Pure. Drink 8 glasses of Wilkins Pure every day.
When we broke up, I could have been bitter or shut myself off from the world. But I had other plans because I deserve more.
Ganyan sa Best Ever My Super Plan. Yung 300 pesos na prepaid load mo, halos doble sa Globe Postpaid. Pwede sa consumables, combos, and gadgets. It pays to have a plan. Create yours now with Globe, the leader in postpaid.
Why do people pay thousands of pesos for designer perfumes when they don't have to? Downy Perfume Collection. It's like wearing perfume every day.
Si Chrissy, maalaga pala sa damit. Considering you can buy new clothes every day.
Ate, nagtitipid na ako.
Tipid? Eh, ang mahal ng Ariel powder, di ba?
No, because you only need 1 scoop of Ariel to remove stains completely, kaya tipid.
Aba, nag-mature ka na talaga, ha?
Naman, because Mom taught us well.
Up to 6 scoops of several detergents plus bar and brush can't beat the superior stain removal of 1 scoop of Ariel.
That's my Ariel. What's yours?